Hi everyone, so today it's not going to be a cooking video. Today I want to share a product with you guys that I recently got, and it's something that I've always wanted one of and I've finally gotten it. So I want to share with you all a little bit of the unboxing and me putting it together. And this one is for a beverage slash wine cooler. Really excited for it because I hate that when you have all of those things in your regular refrigerator, it takes up so much of space that sometimes I run out of room to put my groceries. So I'm glad that I got this beverage wine cooler, which is going to come in so handy. Now this is not going to be installed into the cupboard like you would usually see it, but if you have a space that you wanted to put it into, of course you can, but this can also work as a freestanding fridge. So let me show you guys. So guys, here is the fridge. On camera it may look a little small, but trust me, it's a really good size fridge. Now last night we took it out of the box and we put it here. Now whenever you're going to use a new product, especially a fridge, you just want to let it relax, let it settle a little, let the gases settle. There's refrigerant in here, so you want all of that to be nice and settled before you actually plug it in. But before I plug in the refrigerator, I just want to talk a little bit about it with you guys, right? So this is our energy guide in the front here, and it says the estimated yearly operating cost is $40. Now that's 40 US dollars, which isn't bad. And the estimated yearly electric use is 333.6 kilowatts. So I really like how sleek this fridge looks. Now this is a tray, an extra tray that we got. So I'm gonna open. So guys, this little plastic container you see here, this helps with the humidity in here. Now if you have one of those wine bottles where it has a cork for the cover, you would want to put a little bit of water in here because you would want to keep that cork nice and moist on the outside. The wine keeps it moist inside, but once the cork on the outside is not moist, it can break apart really easily. So hence the reason for this. Now what I'm going to do is stack the fridge and put it on because I want you guys to see how it will look. This shelf because I want to pack some water in here and the bottles are not going to fit. So I'm just going to lift this up and pull this out. So this shelf is going to go right where you took that other one out. And it's going to sit right here like this. So we can stack tall and we can stack short. So let's do that. So guys, I just finished packing the fridge. You saw I put Chubby, and for those of you all who don't know, Chubby is a soda that we call soft drink back in Trinidad. Then I have some lemon lime bitters. We have PG, orchard, some small water and some big water. I like keeping a small water because when folks come over, they tend to waste a big bottle of water. So hence the reason why I always have small water on hand. We have some Coke because, I mean, who doesn't love Coke, right? So you always want to have some Coke. It comes in handy if you're not feeling well, especially. And then we have the 2 wine racks at the bottom with the different types of wine. And then I always like having extra water because I drink a lot of water. So I went in with a row of water at the bottom. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this on. And and I'm gonna allow the drinks to cool. Now once it cools, I want to test it, check it, see if it's chilling really well. The temperature for the wine is already preset, so you don't have to worry about that, and it does have dual temperature, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna plug it on right now, and I can see that the temperature is already being set. At the bottom it's going to be 54 degrees Fahrenheit, and at the top it's going to be 42 degrees Fahrenheit, because wine chills at a different temperature to your regular drinks. There's also a light in here that you can turn on, which is really cool. So I'll check back in a little bit with you guys once this is finished chilling. So guys, I just checked on the drinks and they're chilling really well. The refrigerator is also very quiet. It's not making a lot of noise, so I like that. It's nice and steady. It sits well. It looks really nice, and I absolutely love this Newair dual refrigerator. So guys, you see how easy it is. You can either put it into a cupboard if you have a cupboard for that, or if you have a space where dishwasher would be. This might fit in that spot. And if you didn't want to, you can always put this onto something that's higher, or you can leave it here at a lower height. So I wouldn't recommend putting anything on top of it, because it does feel slightly warm to the touch. After all, it is a refrigerator. So if you guys are interested in owning one of these, and it's at a really great price, and the brand is called Newair, I will leave all of their information to purchase this. The link will be in the description box, guys. You have to click the arrow. The box will open up and you will find the link for this product. To get the information, you have to click on that link to find out all of the information. And this is not the only style or model that they have. They have double doors. They have different things to suit your pockets and your aesthetic. So whatever you would like, definitely give Newair a check and let me know what you all think. If you make a purchase, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.